Grounded theory, created by Brittany Decker, Dana Williams, and Evan Chada. What is grounded theory? Grounded theory is a method of research characterized by the repeated process of planning, collecting data, analyzing the data in order to develop a theory. Grounded theory uses inductive reasoning. It does not use deductive reasoning. It is qualitative, not quantitative. It does not start with a hypothesis-driven experiment. Instead, a theory emerges through data analysis. For example, experimental research will start with a hypothesis. The researchers will conduct their experiment and analyze their data. Then they will see if their hypothesis is proven or not. Whereas grounded theory identifies the phenomenon, they analyze data, and they conduct their theory. This process is cyclical until a theory emerges.
Sampling is done through a process called theoretical sampling. Initially, the sample size is small, and the sample size grows with each cycle of data collection. The selection process for sampling focuses on the problem of practice and who should be involved in that problem. Data collection is qualitative. It is done through one-on-one interviews, focus group interviews, and participant observations.
When we're talking about validity, we are not looking to be generalizable, which is different from lots of different other theories. Instead, grounded theory is looking to come up with a theoretical fit, theoretical relevance, and then is it workable and is it modifiable? It's not interested in taking the results and generalizing them to a larger sample. There are some other steps you need to do to ensure your credibility. Specifically, you're going to want to do member checking just to confirm your results and make sure that the interviews gave you the correct information. Also, you want to make sure to use reflexivity to eliminate any sort of researcher bias. Data analysis for theoretical sampling goes through 4 stages. We're going to begin with collecting data. This is typically through one-on-one, through observations, interviews, reviewing observation footage. Then we're going to start to code the data. We start with open coding. All we're doing is we're taking our data and we're grouping our concepts. Then we're going to move on to actual coding, where we're going to take those concepts and connect them, see where the connections are. Finally, we're going to go to selective coding. We're going to identify our core themes through the connections. And then really at that point, we're going to see if there's a sufficient depth of data. There probably isn't the first time through. So that's when we start the process over again and our sample size grows.